You can't go wrong when you wear these classic style heels by Chinese Laundry. They feature a textile upper with a pointed toe silhouette and side notches for easy slip-on and ease of movement. They have a knitted design, giving it a classic look that would be great for the night out of town in that cute little black dress. Inside, there is a synthetic lining with a cushioned footbed to keep you comfortable all day. You'll get about a 4-inch boost in height with a stiletto heel at the back that elongates your legs and gives you a sleek silhouette. It's all on top of a durable textile and synthetic outsole that is grippy to keep you stable.